Hey guys, welcome back to the Druid's Den. So today we're gonna just be showing y'all how to make homemade pickles. So I've got my clippers here. We're gonna go grab a few cucumbers and then we'll get started. All right, here we go. So as you can see, the cucumber plants are doing really well. I've gotten a ton of huge cucumbers this year, but I'm getting so many that I really need to pickle some just because I have too many to deal with. So we've got a bunch. This is a little on the small side. It'd probably be a good pickle, but I'm taking the really big ones for the most part. We've got a ton in here. There's a few down here. There's a pretty big size one here. So yeah, I'm just gonna get these cut and we'll get going. So what you're going to need are some sealable jars, some form of pickle mix, some white distilled vinegar, and of course your cucumbers. I use this kosher mix from Walmart, but you can make your own mix using things like peppercorn, mustard seed, dill seed, and garlic. You can find tons of recipes online if that's the way you want to go. First step is to add your water and vinegar. For this recipe, it's 7 1/3 cups of water and 3 1/3 cups of the white distilled vinegar. Then you'll add in your mix and bring it to a boil. Be sure to stir the mix in thoroughly. While it comes to a boil, you can start prepping your cucumbers. I just wash mine off with some water, then get them sliced. I usually do some slices and some spears. I give any bad slices I made, as well as the ends, to our miniature garbage disposals so they aren't wasted. Once you've got your cucumbers cut, you'll fill each jar up, leaving about an inch of space at the top. After the mix has been brought to a boil, let it cool off just a little. You still want it to be nice and hot, but not boiling when you fill your jars, because you could potentially crack the glass. Fill them up to where the cucumbers are submerged, but leave some space at the top. There should still be about a half an inch. Once filled, let the jars cool down to room temperature for around 12 hours, and then you can put them in the fridge to chill. Alright, now time for the best part, trying them out. Let me get these open. I only have one hand, so give me 2 seconds here. Alright, let's try one of these out. Looks pretty good to me. Alright, here we go. Oh, very good. The kosher ones are my favorite. It's got a really good crunch to it too here. I don't know if you can hear it. Good stuff. Worked out really well. It's really simple, so if you're on cucumbers and you have too many, I would try this out.